During the following lesson, we will complete the second sunny mandala by finishing the rays and adding new color or another shape of the sequences. Thus, we repeat the same process as in the previous lesson. Start embroidering from any of the front sides of the rays and apply regular and frequent stitches in every 2-3 millimeters. Time to time, you may meet a situation when your threaded accessories have been emptied. Thus, I would like to demonstrate to you how to avoid making additional locks. So simply cut the thread, leaving 30 or 40 centimeters edge, and transfer your new sequences on the bobbin of the thread. And then link the edges from the previously cut thread and the new threaded bobbin with the sequences. When the edges are linked, you may continue beading, and upon commencing to the linked edges, accurately draw them out. Later you may secure them by twisting around the embroidered chain as we usually do. The rays in a fish scale technique were completed. And now I'd like to start a new serpentine method where we can apply any of the used type of sequences and beads. But in case you wish to use the previously applied ones, you may continue without cutting the thread. I'll use my old and larger sequences in order to demonstrate to you the process more clearly. As you may remember, while embroidering our first mandala pattern, this technique was also applied, however, without any accessory. Thus, we repeat the same process of winding technique, adding sequences after every second stitch and slightly touching the borders. Now I would like us to add some beads on top of the sequences using the same serpentine method. I chaotically place the beads trying to fill in the gaps between the sequences. If you won't succeed from the first time, just keep on trying. It will bring you beautiful results after you turn the embroidery on the face side. And we're done. Look how tender and light does the center ellipse look. I would like you to repeat the same, photograph your work, and send it to me along with the questions or comments if you have.